One of Jotel's newest additions to the wood stove line, the F370, showcases innovative features and modern design details. Featuring the industry's first convex triangular cast iron construction and a unique glass panel design, the Jotul F370's elegant three-sided fire view will be the focal point of any room. The Jotul F370 concept has received a number of prestigious design awards, including the German Red Dot Design Award Best of the Best, the Norwegian Award for Design Excellence, and the U.S. Vesta Award.